Alright, so we about to check out the Roses' comeback, and they're back with a song called She's in the Rain. I'm about to say She is the Rain. She's in the Rain. They have a mini album called Dawn that I can't wait to check out. Last time we checked out The Rose, like obviously we checked out the entirety of the Void, the mini album. Can't wait to check out this one, but right now we're gonna check out She's in the Rain. Are there lyrics? No, there aren't. But there's annotations and I'm taking off. She's in the Rain. Obviously the Rose already has one of the one of the best songs this year. That voice. I recognize that that place setting. And Dojun on the guitar. So used to seeing him on the keyboard. My God, leading up to this chorus. Hold on, cause like right there, like I was about to really like go in with him. Cause I thought it was going hard, but it was like then I started thinking it was thunder because obviously the whole rain thing, and it kind of like it sounded like maybe it like the instruments made like a thunder sound. Right there, and I thought it was going in, and then I just hear the guitar. What a nice ass song. It doesn't feel like it's about to like go into like this like harder instrumentation, like right after the chorus, like after his lines, because it feels like very like soft in the beginning. And then they're so good. I still had it too loud. They're both so good, like Dojun and Sammy, at expressing the lyrics, you know, like the passion behind it. And then his voice is just so, it's just so captivating. That's just gonna be a constant every time I check out the Rose. It's gonna be me gushing over his voice. Like, so obviously the album, I did a first listen last time, but this time, so I may not do a first listen this time around. Last time I did a first listen for Void, and I checked out all the songs. But I'm probably gonna check out Dawn on my own, and if you follow me on Twitter, you'll most likely see what I think about it, because when I listen to something and I feel a certain way about it, I just tweet about it immediately. Whatever's on my mind, I just tweet about it. So I'm definitely gonna check it out, and this was just so nice. It's maybe just, I'm probably just always gonna lose it over his voice, to be honest. That's probably it.